Namaskar and good evening. Today we will review one pharmaceutical company, Ajanta Pharmaceuticals Limited. At one time, say 2-3 years back, it was probably the fastest growing pharma company. But subsequently, somewhere it faltered. The growth has come down, and again, it seems to be picking up. Let us see how things are. Of course, it's a good company, but for the last 5 years, it has not grown much. The management consists of Mannalal B. Agarwal as chairman, Madhusudan B. Agarwal as vice chairman, Yogesh M. Agarwal managing director, Rajesh M. Agarwal joint managing director. So it is engaged in the manufacture of pharmaceutical products like now it has got 3 divisions: prescription drugs, OTC and institutional sales. Now so many divisions are there, we'll see that. These cater to areas like cardiology, ophthalmology, dermatology and so on. The manufacture consists of various dosages such as tablets, capsules, injections, ointments and powders. The company has a wonderful R&D division. It conducts activities in 3 aspects, namely new drug delivery systems, formulations and development, and herbal and nutraceuticals. Now let's take a look at the results. Net sales for the Q4 are 682 crores. Previous quarter Q3 651 crores and Q4 of last year 515 crores. So year on year there is a reasonable growth of 32.38%, and quarter on quarter there is a growth of 4.72%. Net profit has grown to 129 crores from 89 crores in Q4 of last year. So current Q4 is 129 crores, previous quarter Q3 is 108 crores and Q4 of last year is 89 crores. So there is a 45% growth in net profit year on year and 20% growth quarter on quarter. Equity is 17.54 crores. Basic EPS is 14.8 on a face value of rupees 2. So that is reasonably impressive. On face value of 2 rupees, the basic EPS is 14.8 rupees quarterly. Previous quarter was 12.33 and year ago for Q4 was 10.1. Here also the growth is 46.53% year on year and 20% quarter on quarter. The market price as on today is 1462. So based on that is based on the market price of 1462 and the basic EPS, quarterly EPS of 14.8, the price earning, annual price earning comes to 24.71. Now the volumes are reasonably good, 76,852. So buying and selling there is no problem. 52-week low was 840. 52-week high is 1,578. So will there be growth beyond this? We'll have to see. Now because price earning is 24.7. Of course the company is trying to grow. Now as growth picks up, the price also may pick up. The technical aspects, we see that these are reasonably bullish. The market cap is 12,736 crores. Price earning last year price earning is 28.94. Book value is 282. Last year price earning is 28. Now calculated price earning is 24.71. Industry price earning is 31. So there is scope for growth. EPS is, last year EPS is 50.55. Now it has grown slightly based on the quarterly EPS. Dividend yield is 0.89. Face value is 2 rupees. Now if you look at the shareholding pattern, promoters hold 70.51%, which is quite impressive. There is a pledge of 17.29%. FIAs hold 8.91%. DIAs hold 12.54%. Financial institutions 0.17%. Insurance companies 0.45%. Like that. Other DIA is 2.67%. Others 8.04%. Total 100%. So promoter shareholding is good. Of course, there is a pledge, 17.29%. Now, in March 2009, the company sought to buy back 7,69,230 shares. That is last year. So, why the buyback was there means so that the dividend payout can be improved. Now, the company is spending around 6% of its revenue on R&D. The number of products, earlier it was 150, now it seems to be 270 plus, something like that. Marketing to 30 plus countries. The Ajanta team comprises of 7,000 plus people. There are medical representatives, 3,000 plus for building efficiency. It is always first to market the products. Generally, there are 4 areas. Cardiology, where the efforts are on to increase the growth rate. The current growth rate is at 11%. Ophthalmology, so second largest in India and still growing. The growth rate at present is 17%. Dermatology is the lowest growth, but now growing. It is 6% growth. Pain management, second rank. Growth is 16%. Ophthalmology and pain management both second rank. Ophthalmology growing at 17%. Pain management growing at 16%. The fastest growing divisions. So overall, Ajanta has grown 13% in the FY 2020 as against 11% of the industry. The company has got 3 facilities in Aurangabad, Maharashtra, 1 facility at Dahej, Gujarat. These are for formulation manufacturing. 1 facility at Guwahati, Assam will be commencing operations in Q2 of FY21. A new facility has been operationalized at Pithampur, Madhya Pradesh, and 1 facility is there at Mauritius. For API manufacturing, the company has got 1 facility at Valuations, Aurangabad, Maharashtra. R&D spend is around 164 crores or 6% of revenue. Now, what are the prospects of Ajanta Pharma? Ajanta Pharma was, as I told earlier, the fastest growing pharma company some 2-3 years back. I also held some portfolio in Ajanta and sold off. It has not been growing for the last 2.5 years. Now it is again growing. All pharma companies are growing now. It seems to be a good time for pharma companies. Ajanta has a good management team. If they focus on good products, they can grow. The product line currently also is good. The growth rate in 2 areas is good. But it has to choose good product to grow in advanced countries, etc. Now, if it does that, I think Ajanta will be a good company for investing. Thank you for listening. Anyway, it is a good company, but the long-term prospects depend upon the management picking up the old speed. Thank you for listening. I will be back with you with another good company. Ajanta is a good company. The management is good. The company is growing now a little faster than earlier. So let us hope for a bright future.